Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dimoda Boutique. I wanted to go over quickly today. It's not a typical unboxing. So after my last box from Quick Lots, what I wanted to do was to open the box, comp everything, and then share it. So I got a 20-piece box from Boutique by the Box. And that was their Breaking the Seal box. I got it on a deal for $125, and I really liked what I got. I know a lot of these companies have issues with damage and with not giving out great brands, but this company is very much learning, and they're very much honest and open about that. So I think that they're doing a wonderful job. They hand select the boxes for that. And they also do bigger quantities. Now, it is more expensive. I believe the 50-piece box right now is $700, which if you break that down, it's about $14 a piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share what I got in my 20-piece box. That way we can determine if that's worth it. I'm willing to buy the 50-piece box just to see, but I need the ROI to be there too. We're not just going to jump in for no reason. Alrighty, so I'm going to put a little screenshot. I have everything listed on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, everywhere. So I'm going to put it up over here. That way you can see my comps and kind of what I got. So I will say this first piece is the only thing I got that was not new with tags. But I was not disappointed in that at all. It's this pair of Aloe Yoga Elevate Navy leggings. I have them listed for $50. Also, I want to mention everything I got is pretty seasonal. So if it's not a wonderful brand, it's a sweater and we're in the fall winter time. So they did a great job about the seasonality with these Break the Seal boxes. So I would at least recommend trying them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed by that box. Sorry. So the second item is this. Of course, the second one had to be the weird one. A stir or a star or ASTR, I don't know. It's this cute square neck eyelash white sweater. This thing is so soft. New with tags. The next up is a one state teal high neck open sleeve blouse. Also new with tags. This Catherine Melandrino black and white cowl knit sweater. This one did have a couple of pulls, but that's the only sign of wear, and when I did, I just knotted them off. That way it wouldn't get any worse. And then this BP cable knit turtleneck sweater. The only item I was kind of disappointed in was this WEZC sweatshirt. And that is because it's a girls. I don't know if that was intentional or not. I also was not familiar with this brand at all. Apparently, in the women's, it does very well. Well, very well. Comps looked around $30 for... This is Superlative Conspiracy. It says, like, Superlative Conspiracy on the sleeves. And they have other things in that, like, on hoodies and stuff across the chest that say that. And apparently, those do better, like $30. And then we have this Reformation tan alpaca sweater, and that was also new with tags. That was probably my favorite thing in this whole box. I love a good Reformation sweater. This Eliza J shift dress. Funnily enough, I have this same dress already listed, new with tags, and I've had it for a very long time. I cannot get Eliza J to sell. I actually sent in one dress to ThredUp to see if they have a better chance at it, and so far, no takers. So we'll see how it goes. If that sells, I'll probably send all the Eliza J into ThredUp. It's not selling for me on Poshmark, eBay, nowhere. If you have a tip of where it sells well, let me know. Or a price point even. I have it priced, I think all of them around $50, and they're all new with tags. I wouldn't pick it up if it wasn't new with tags. And then this halogen V-neck pleat cap sleeve blouse. I think that's one of my plainer pieces, but again, I wasn't that upset with it. It was new with tags, and it's a good staple piece. It's a good bundle filler. There's some Max Studio Plus size black and white, like culotte pants. Just like a great, like slouchy pant. Bishop and Young pencil skirt. I love Bishop & Young. It usually sells so well for me. A Lucky Brand floral graphic top. And then the one thing I didn't really like was how much Catherine Maladrino was in here. And it's her diluted line, the Catherine Maladrino, whatever it is. Catherine maybe. But it's this faux leather maroon pencil skirt. So even though it's a lesser brand, I think that is still a great fall piece. And then my second favorite item from the whole thing is this Rails sweater. It's the Percy Breton heart sweater, and it is like black and white stripe with a little heart detail, and again, new with tags. Amazing. This West Key wine metallic sequin jumpsuit. So this has like a cool, so the whole jumpsuit is purple, but then it has kind of like a metallic-y purple throughout in like swirls, and then it has these little studs throughout. Very cute. Would be great for a wedding, actually, especially this fall. There's a One State white waffle turtleneck with buttons down the sides. Then the most shocking thing to me was this Trina Turk Cabana swimsuit, this one piece. It is new with tags, hygiene liner, all of that good stuff. I was just shocked to find it in a fall box, but honestly, that's a great brand. Her swim does very well, so I was still pretty pleased. Then we have this Topshop snake print long sleeve high neck dress. And then finally is this Mac Studio Crush Velvet floral dress. A couple of things. They did send out surveys to those that bought the boxes that kind of said, hey, what could we do better? Because again, they're new, they're learning. And I had mentioned like maybe less Mac Studio, maybe less Catherine Maladrino. Halogen I don't mind as much because at least that's a well-known brand. But still, I mean, I only got one piece of that, whereas Catherine I got 2, Mac Studio I got 2. Like that kind of thing I would like to see less of and or none of. Because I have plenty of that in my closet from all these liquidation boxes, and it doesn't really go. I price it low, I send offers, it goes nowhere. So it hangs out for a while until I get a great bundle deal on all of them. So yeah, this is my boutique by the box. 20-piece break the seal box. So hopefully you can see. I didn't list anything under $20, and that's pretty great. My cost of goods was $125 divided by 19, which let me get out my calculator. So I did end up keeping a pair of Joe's jeans for me. So yeah, at $125 for $19, it's $6.58 an item. So that cost of goods is actually probably less than my average Goodwill for these items. So a sweater at my Goodwill, I believe, don't quote me, Pennsylvania people, I believe it's $6.95. I believe dresses are $7.49 and tops are $4.95, I think. Pants I don't really look at that much, but I believe they're $7.49 too. The same as the dresses. So yeah, I got mainly sweaters, which is awesome. Great for this season. Really happy with all of that. But I wanted to get it all listed super quickly. My palette comes tomorrow morning. I am over the moon excited. I'm going to do kind of like a montage, I think, of the whole palette process. I do have to work my 9 to 5 a little bit tomorrow. I did take a little bit of time off of work just to be here when it gets here. But I'm hoping to get to show you guys that process because really I think it's interesting. And also it was probably one of the most difficult things to learn because of the lack of information out there. So I'm going to kind of do like a whole little video, I guess, on it. Just through the process. It might be a couple of videos just so it doesn't get too long, too lengthy. But yeah, feel free to subscribe. You can find me on Instagram at d_moda_posh. And then on Poshmark at Dimoda. And that's Dimoda. All right, guys, have a great day. Hope your sales are great and you're starting off this Q4 in a good way. All right,